This is Tom at Tom's Bronco Parts. We just wanted to do a shout out to everybody for 2021. You know, just wanted to say thanks again for the business for 2020. We had a crazy year. We had to weather the storm and we didn't have any layoffs. We're really looking forward to our July open house here at the shop and do our, party out in the parking lot and in the shop, and then we'll have a couple of Bronco runs. So I appreciate everybody who's made it these last few years with our July, open house. And also we're gonna reach out to Pennsylvania, Texas, Tennessee. Oregon's got a big run up in the dunes. Also wanted to mention the Moab event with all the Broncos down in the rocks. So we really want to make sure that we can get down there and see everybody down at Moab. Another big one is SEMA, the show down in Las Vegas. I believe that's in November. So we've got some good stuff coming up and really hoping that things are going to get back to normal on all the trade shows and some of the rallies that we're all used to going on. Now that I'm in my 60s, I can't believe for 40 years we've been on such a wild ride. It's just amazing how popular the old Broncos have gotten. So I want to say thanks, and I'm so lucky and blessed as a company that we got into these little Broncos. And first time I think I rode in one, I think I was 12 years old. But it's just amazing how popular they've gotten. And we're really glad to be, focusing on just the early Broncos. Hopefully this year will be a lot different than last year. So just wanted to say how much we appreciate everybody and working through everything. And we're really looking forward to a good new year. Thanks for hanging in there with us, and really look forward to, doing more business in 2021 and putting these little Broncos back on the road.